Well, hi everybody. This is Kentaro Sato's SATOKEN'S 2010 PANINI Century Collection. Is this correct? PANINI Century Collection. I'm sorry, PANINI 2010 PANINI Americana Century Collection. Wow. We can expect a lot of cut signatures. No. Lots of souvenir cuts, autos, memorabilia, so from celebrity sport players. It's a very interesting product to open. First time to open this product. Wow. I have been told that we will get 5 hits from one box. Autographs, memorabilia, a lot of things. It's really interesting. Okay, by the way, I would like to introduce today's guest, especially. This is Window Whale. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Window Whale. He came from Vancouver. Thanks so much. Hello, buddy. Thanks for watching my box break game. Second appearance in my video. Okay, anyway, let's start it. Very interesting product. まあ何が出るでしょうかね。まあこういうセレブ系みたいなのですね。こういうのが出るとまたこれは面白いですよね。ちょっと丁寧に、いつもより丁寧に Open with care あ、こういう風に上下するんですね。こういう風にね。つるつるつるつる面白いですね。ほーっPANINI Century Collection でこれいきなり開けちゃうと多分わーって出てくるんだよね。これがチェックリストになっていてなんかありますね。はあ、じらしながら開けましょうか。とりあえずこれとこれを出しといて、なんかオートが下に入ってると思うんで、まずオートは見ないと。オートは見ません。We still have one hit inside this box andすごいね、面白いね。1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards inside. Okay, the first one is souvenir stamps. うわー、懐かしい。Orel Hershiser. I believe he was a member of Los Angeles Dodgers. Orel Hershiser. Souvenir stamps. With his jersey. And the next one is souvenir stamps, astronaut, Sari Ride, stamps jersey, Sari Ride. 知りません. I'm sorry, I don't know her. We're sorry about this. And who is this? 寂しいね、なんかね. We need some auto here. Eddie Murray. Eddie Murray. What is the wall? Wall or something? First base, Baltimore. Numbered to 250. And the next one is who? Dare? Who is this? Popular singer Bing Crosby. Hollywood material, souvenir stamps, Bing Crosby, and who is this? Sinatra? Frank Sinatra? Frank Sinatra, wait a minute, Frank Sinatra? Number to 250. Huh. Oh! Congratulations! Swatches with authentic items personally worn used by Frank Sinatra and Bing Crosby. Sinatra and Bing Crosby. This is cool. Swatches, stamps, Frank Sinatra, Bing Crosby. すごいね。これ有名人なんだろうね。多分ね。すごいですね。And I guess we got some autos. Oh, who is this? Murray Wills. Murray Wills. Auto, number to 250. Auto, Murray Wills. Los Angeles. Okay, so let's go to the final one. The final one is Hey! Astronauts, souvenir stamps, auto. Eileen Collins. Number 30. Eileen Collins. まあこれ宇宙飛行士の人なんでしょうね。すごいですね。切手とオートですね。Eileen Collins. Number 30. 30. Wow. Good. It's very interesting. Eileen Collins. Molly Mills Auto. 個人的にはこれヒットでしたね。Bing Crosby and Frank Sinatra swatches, dual swatches. Hello Materials, number to 250. これちょっと寂しいね。Want to do something here? Back in the area. Eddie Murray, number to 250. And Astronauts Harriet Allied, number to 100. And Orel Hershiser. Good glass. Number to 100. Souvenir stamps. Okay. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Did you enjoy it, Finken? Okay. See you next time. Thank you very much. Thumbs up. Bye bye.